In this part, I am going to show the document type feature in the module. Document types are used to define what kind of document are required in the franchisee process. This helps the business keep document collection organized, consistent, and easy to manage for every franchisee application. To open this feature, we go to the franchisee management module. Then open the configuration and click on document type. Here we can see the list of all the document types created in the system. Each document type represents one type of document that may be required from an applicant or franchisee partner. If I want to create a new document type, I click on the new. First, I enter the document type name. This should clearly identify the document such as identity proof, business registration certificate, address proof, tax registration, bank details, license copy, or any other required business document. Next, we can define whether this document type is mandatory or not. This is important because some documents are absolutely required before moving forward in the franchisee process, while some documents may only be needed in the special case. By marking a document as a mandatory, the system helps make sure that critical documents are not missed. We can also manage the active status of the document type. If a document type is active, it can be used in the current franchisee workflow. If it is inactive, it remains saved in the system, but it will not be used in the ongoing process. This is useful when a business wants to stop using an old document type without deleting its past record. Once I save it, this document type becomes a part of the document setup for franchisee management. Here you can set a code of the document type. The main purpose of this feature is to standardize document collection. Instead of asking for a document in an unstructured way, the company can predefine exactly what documents are needed, which ones are mandatory, and which ones are currently active for a use. This feature is especially useful during a franchisee application review. It helps the team track whether all important documents have been received before approval, onboarding, or conversion to franchisee. So, in simple words, document types act like a master document list. They tell the team what documents are needed, which ones are compulsory, and which document types are currently in use. So that was the document type feature. It helps organize a franchisee paperwork, control which documents are mandatory, manage active and inactive document types, and make the full application review process more structured and reliable.